Hey, are you looking to earn online with affiliate marketing and you might not know where to go? You may not have an offer. You may not know what to promote online. It may be your first time with home business and you want to know how you can make some money online. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I've been marketing online for a while now. And a couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed, I was depressed, and I changed that all around by learning online marketing, right? And I changed my situation around and became a top producer in the industry, and you could do that too. You have to actually know where to find products at and what to actually promote to get results. And learning these skills is very important because marketing is just not as simple as going to a site like Clickbank and finding an offer and being able to promote it. I mean, you may make some sales that way, but learning the real skills of marketing is actually going to help you long term to be able to build a brand and be able to promote yourself with any kind of offer that you ever join in marketing, right? So, is what Clickbank is it's a online database of affiliate offers where people come on and they promote their products. So they create a digital product, they come onto the website, they put their product on the website, and they give you a commission for selling it, right? So this is pretty much a database of marketers who have products who want to get exposure to their products and they give you a commission for their products, right? Clickbank has been around for a long time. So whenever you come on the Clickbank platform, you just create an account for free, and then they give you an affiliate link, and you promote the affiliate link to cold traffic, right? You can promote it however you promote it, but a lot of times people run solo ads and people may do video as well, and it all depends on how you want to promote your offer, right? To see how it's converting. Um, Now, what's very important when you run any kind of cold traffic is you have to know your stats, you have to know your opt-in rate, you have to know your conversion rate, you have to know is the traffic that you're getting is high quality traffic. And when you're getting an offer on ClickBank, you don't really know the stats till you do a test and you see if it's converting, right? And you don't know these offers because you don't have them, you don't own them, right? So me personally, I don't like promoting ClickBank offers because I don't own them, so I don't know what they are, so I would never offer them to people. But I have a lot of people that come to me that promote a ClickBank offer to make some money online, and they have some very good results with it, right? But for me personally, I would never give somebody something that I don't promote myself, something that I don't use myself, and I want to be able to see what the product is before I offer it to somebody, right? So that's just my personal, preference. But there's people that have got some traffic from me as a marketer who are getting very good results with their offers, right? So um, my thing is I am a traffic provider. I'm a marketer first. Before I sell you any kind of traffic, I'm a marketer, right? So the goal that you want to make sure when you get traffic is you want to make sure that you have targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. You want to also make sure that the landing page and the sales copy on the page are congruent with your offer, which means the page that they put their email into is congruent with the words on the page and what it promotes. And you want to make sure that your traffic that you're promoting to it is congruent, is high quality, and as a valuable source, right? Um, because otherwise, if you're just running cold traffic to an offer, you could easily end up $87,000 in debt, just like I was, right? But I didn't know anything when I first got started. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to track my stats. I didn't know any of this stuff because nobody ever told me, right? So I had to learn that the hard way. And when I learned marketing, I started to build up a list, right? And your list building efforts are going to be very important. And when you build a list, then you have a list of quality people on there that basically have an interest in marketing, right? So my list contains uh, sources from Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you order traffic from me, you're going to get a mix of traffic from those sources. And my goal is to actually help you get conversions, is to help you and set up and manage your funnels and your offers. If you have any issues, I want you to understand how to get high conversion rates. Um, I have the record rate now for solo ad traffic. I have as high as an 88% opt-in rate. Right now that says 85%. As of now, it's 88.9%. That's the highest that I know so far, opt-in rate with sales, right? And I want to help you understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. I want to also help you to understand how to build a list of people who engage and people who actually want to buy what you have to offer, right? So how do we do this? This starts in 3 simple steps. So you just pick a package below, and I have packages as low as 50 cents a click for 90% T1, and anything that you get from me, it's going to be quality. And when you order a package from me, no matter what it is, I do a campaign review. That's step two. And you have the option to set up a call with me, which is free. I normally charge for coaching, but since you're getting a traffic package from me, you get that call for free. So you're going to want to actually book the call for the best results with your campaign, so I can understand what you're promoting and how you're promoting it. If you're having any issues with it, I can actually help you to correct those issues, right? So I want to get you the highest conversions possible with your campaign. Step three is we do a launch within 72 hours or less. After the call is done, then I can start the delivery for you. Um, so here's some of the results that I've gotten people: 200 clicks, 2 sales, um, 200 clicks, 5 sales, um, 300 clicks, sales, um, sales off 200 clicks, 84% opt-in rate, 200 clicks, 7 sales, 200 clicks, 4 sales, 200 clicks, here's the 88.9% opt-in rate, 5 sales, 200 clicks, 2 sales and an upsell. Here's another opt-in rate. Here's them. 600 clicks, 4 sales, and an 85% opt-in rate. So right here is a 79% opt-in rate. So that's just some of the results. So you come down here, you pick a package down here. Here's 90% T1. Here's 100% T1. 100% T1 is always going to give you the best results possible. And here's some of the companies that people come to me to promote. Any kind of make money online or BizOp is good for this traffic. And here's some of the questions that people ask. So you're going to want to look over this before you actually book a package with me. And that way, some of your questions could get answered right away. And then right here's my guarantee to you that all traffic that you get is going to be 100% real. And if you have any issues with your order, I do not offer refunds, but what I can do is compensate you in traffic. So if you contact me on Facebook or if you leave a message down here, you'll be able to reach me. And if you have any issues with your order, I will compensate you in traffic to make sure that you get exactly what you ordered. But I do not offer refunds because it's paid traffic. Once you pay for traffic, that's advertising, and I cannot offer refunds, but I can compensate you in traffic. So if you have any issues, I will definitely help to make sure your traffic order is of highest quality possible, right? So if you're ready to get started and start getting results in your business, make sure you click on the link below this video. It'll take you to this page where you could book your package and you could actually start getting results and start getting leads. and start building your list the right way. So yeah, make sure you click on that link below this video. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's a link below this video that lets you into my Facebook group. All you have to do is send a request and you'll be able to get into my free Facebook group, where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to actually, grow your business and scale it up, right? And also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.